Hello, my name is Jochen Beranek. I'm the executive chef at Optus Stadium. I'm going to show you a very nice and tasty, simple dessert today, which is called banana foster. It's a dish that you find throughout the Caribbean, all the way up to the southern states, New Orleans, and these areas on the menu. What you have is bananas. We're going to chop these up and we brown them off in some butter, caramelize them with sugar, flambe with a little bit of rum, add some cream and ice cream on top. Very simple, few steps. Want to keep your banana nice and chunky. I'm cutting them like this because I put them in a glass. You can cut them also lengthwise into quarter, doesn't really matter. All right, we come over to the stove, take all our ingredients, butter, brown sugar, brown rum, and cream. Pan on the stove, melt the butter, let it brown off a little bit. Add your bananas into that. Let it get nice and hot before you add your sugar. Sugar will melt down really quick, caramelize. Make sure they get nicely, evenly coated. Watch your fingers here. Hot sugar is very hot and it sticks. With a brown rum, I use Captain Morgan's. Any brown rum will work for this. Careful here as well. Watch your face, watch your eyebrows. Good dash of rum. Flambe the bananas. Let it reduce. Nicely evenly coated with that sugary syrup. Now we got a bit of cream here. See, by moving the pan, I emulsify the butter, the rum, the sugar, and the cream. Let it sit a little bit until the banana gets nice and soft. Then get a plate ready, plate up, and we're ready to go. All right, there's your bananas in the caramel. That's your base. So you got your caramelized banana with the sauce on the base. I like to add ice cream to this. This is plain vanilla ice cream, but you can use coconut or any flavor you like that you can add to this. Nice canal of ice cream on top. That will beautifully melt into that. I made a little garnish here, a very simple mixture. It's actually just toasted coconut, desiccated coconut, rice puffs, and I put a little bit of gold dust in there just to stay with the pirate theme. Put that on top for a little bit of crunch. Optional. As a very last bit, I like to add a little bit of cinnamon powder on top of it as well. And there you have very nice hot dessert with ice cream on top. Easy steps, simple to follow for everyone.